Hi friends, this is a third continuation video on Oracle RAC database. So let's discuss few more important questions that you will generally get in your interview. So let's discuss the first question here. What is the difference between a single instance environment and RAC environment? If you are working as a DBA, so obviously you will be aware of single instance environment, but we will compare a difference so that it will be easy for us to answer during an interview. So the first difference is single instance has its own SGA system global area, and rack environment each instance has its own SGA. Next, single instance data file and control file are accessed by only one instance, and in rack environment data file and control file shared by all instances. Next, online read log file dedicated for read write to only one instance, but in rack environment online read log file only one instance can write, but other instance can read during a recovery and archiving. The next is flash recovery log accessed by only one instance, and in rack environment flash recovery log shared by all instances. Next, alert log and trace file dedicated to the instance, and in rack environment alert log and trace files are private to each instance. Other instance never write or read to those files. So next question here is, what is the difference between SRVCTL and CRVCTL? CRVCTL manage a cluster where related operations. First, starting and stopping a clusterware, enabling and disabling a clusterware daemons, and registering a clusterware resources. Means CRVCTL is responsible for just managing the clusterware related resources and starting and enabling the services, starting, stopping, enabling the services. And SRV-CTL is responsible for database related services. SRV-CTL manage Oracle resources related operation like starting and stopping a database instances and services. Also from 11G R2 manage the clusterware resources like network, VIP, disk, etc. What is OLR? OLR stands for Oracle Local Registry. OLR is a registry similar to OCR, Oracle Clusterware. OCR located on each node on a cluster but contain information specific to each node. It contains manageability information about Oracle clusterware, including dependencies between various services. Oracle High Availability Service Daemon (OHSD) use this information to start clusterware. Where it located? OLR is located on a local storage of each node in the cluster, usually in the path grid underscore base slash CRS data slash hostname slash OLR. How to manage it? You can manage by using a command OCR config, OCR dump, and OCR check to manage OLR. What if your OCR is corrupted? If your OCR Oracle Cluster Registry is corrupted, you can either use the logical or physical OCR backup copy to restore the repository. Oracle take a physical backup of OCR automatically. Like 11G 11G R2 onward, RAC have this feature like OCR backup will happen automatically. Before 11GR2, OCR backup was happening manually actually. And next, no cluster downtime or RAC database downtime required for physical backup of OCR. Means no downtime is required for any physical backup, and even for no cluster downtime and rack downtime required for manual export backup of OCR. For recovery of OCR from any of the above backup method, it should need downtime. What is split brain syndrome in RAC? Split brain syndrome in Oracle RAC occurs when two or more nodes in a clusters are unable to communicate each other. This can happen when the private interconnect between the nodes fails. So node works independently. Each node can accept user connection and work independently. Data integrity issues. If both nodes sync their primaries, there will both start editing the same data, which can cause a data integrity issue. Next, server record data inconsistency. The server may record the same data inconsistently. Server compete for resources. The server may compete for resources to avoid a split brain syndrome. You can configure at least two n plus one voting disk to survive the loss of n voting disk. So next question is, what happen if you keep split brain syndrome in RAC unresolved? How it can be resolved? If you keep split brain syndrome unresolved, then there would be a data integrity issue. The block changes in one instance will not be logged and could be overwritten by another instance because they will not be able to communicate. So both node can get overwritten for the same data block. It is resolved by using a voting disk. It will decide which node will be survive and which node will be evicted. So that is the solution here. What is the new feature in Oracle ASM 12c? The new feature added in Oracle ASM 12c is Oracle Flux ASM. It's a new ASM deployment model which increase instance database availability and reduce the Oracle ASM related resource consumption. How Oracle Flux ASM works. Oracle Flux ASM instance when fail on a particular node, then Oracle Flux ASM instance is passed over to another surviving node in the cluster. That's way the whole this feature give a advantage, like availability will be still there even ASM instance Oracle Flux ASM instance fails. So thanks for watching till here. I hope this all important question will be helpful. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.